How to fix Airbnb cannot create account in 2026. So the first thing you want to do is simply check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and simply try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. You can also simply go ahead and update the application. Simply go to your App Store or Play Store and check if there are any updates available. If there is, simply go ahead and click on the update button. If you're on an Android device, you want to simply go to Settings, Apps, and then Airbnb and Storage and click on Clear Cache. You want to also use a valid email address. Make sure that you can access your inbox. Then you want to also check your password requirements. You need to have at least 8 characters, a number or symbol, and upper and lower case letters. If you're using any kind of VPN, make sure that you have successfully disabled them. And if you can't still sign up, go to help.airbnb.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.